In this complete guide, you'll learn how to create a personal bookmarking system in Notion so you can organize your favorite websites with ease. Notion is an incredibly versatile workspace application that's perfect for everything from note-taking to project management, and creating a personal bookmark hub is a fantastic way to leverage its power for your daily browsing. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Hey guys, today we're diving back into Notion. Whether you're just opening the app for the first time, or you're looking to polish your skills, I'll walk you through my personal process for getting the best results when it comes to organizing your web links. First things first, we need a place to store all these wonderful links. So, to begin, open up a new or an existing Notion page. Once you're there, you're going to type the /key, that's dot, followed by the word database. And then you'll see a few options pop up. We want to choose the one that says Database Full Page. This creates a dedicated page just for our database, which keeps things clean and organized. Now let's give this new database a clear and descriptive name. Type in My Bookmarks Hub. This will be the central location for all your saved web pages. Now that we have our hub, it's time to tailor it to our specific needs by setting up the properties. When you create a full-page database, Notion usually populates it with some default columns. We don't need the default tags column for this setup, so go ahead and delete that. To do this, simply hover over the tags column header, click the 3 dots that appear, and select Delete. Next, we need to add the essential properties that will help us categorize and manage our bookmarks. Click the plus sign to add a new property. The first one we need is for the actual web address, so we'll name this property URL, and then select the property type URL. This is crucial because it's designed specifically to store web addresses and will ensure Notion treats them correctly. After that, click the plus sign again to add another property. This one will be for categorizing our links, so let's call it Category. For the property type, we'll choose Multi-Select. This is incredibly useful because it allows you to assign multiple categories to a single bookmark, which offers a lot of flexibility. For instance, a design tutorial could be both design and tech. Finally, let's add one more property to easily mark our most important links. Click the plus sign, name this property Favorite, and select the checked property type. This will give us a simple toggle to quickly identify our top-tier bookmarks. With our database structure in place, let's add your very first link. You'll see the first row in your database, likely labeled Artitled. Click on this row to open it up as a full page. This is where the magic happens. In the body of this new page, not in the properties section, type the /key, datar again, and this time type Web Bookmark. You'll see an option appear for Web Bookmark. Select that. A box will pop up asking for your web address. Go ahead and paste the URL of the website you want to save into this box, and then click Create Bookmark. Notion is really smart. It will automatically pull in the site's metadata, including its title and a thumbnail image, making your bookmark visually appealing and informative right from the start. Now, let's make our bookmarks look fantastic. The default view for a new database is often a table, but for a visual bookmark hub, the gallery view is far superior. Look at the top left of your database, above the first row. You'll see a button that says View. Click on this button, and from the drop-down menu, select Gallery. This immediately transforms your database into a more visual format. However, we can make it even better. Once you're in Gallery View, click on the Layout menu, which is usually near the top right of the database view. In the Card Preview section, change the option from whatever it is currently set to Likely None or Page Content to Page Cover. This ensures that the thumbnail image Notion pulled in for each bookmark will be displayed prominently as the cover of its card, making your entire bookmark hub visually rich and easy to scan. This is how you create a truly beautiful and functional personal bookmarking system in Notion. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next. So there you have it, your very own, beautifully organized bookmarking hub in Notion. You can now easily add all your favorite websites, categorize them for quick retrieval, and mark your absolute must-visit links with that handy favorite checkbox. This system will not only save you time, but also help you rediscover useful resources you might have forgotten about. As a next step, consider creating different views for your gallery, perhaps one filtered to only show your favorite links, or another filtered by a specific category like work. You can save this video to your watch later list, or revisit these steps anytime you need to add more Grower. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.